Look at homes. What breaks homes? Lack of transparency. What breaks homes? Assumptions. What breaks homes? Keeping secrets. If husbands and wives can learn how to talk to themselves, how to talk and listen. When I say listening, listening is more difficult than talking. Because many times when we listen to respond. Or worse still, we listen to react. No, you must listen to get the story the other person is telling him or herself. Now, the stories we tell ourselves determine the things that we say.